Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivofit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on the smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the application, you should see the home page. Now, tap on the More or Menu icon right here to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on the Garmin devices. Now, you should see the list of devices connected to your phone, and on this list, you should see the Vivofit 4. Tap on it, then tap on Device Settings, and then tap on Display. Here, tap on Watch Face, and now you should see the list of watch faces you can apply on your smartband. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and then go back to the main page of the Garmin Vivofit. So basically this page. It should say settings saved, and once it does, you need to basically sync the devices together. So to do it, press and hold the button on your smartband to open the menu. Press and hold it like this. Once you see the Wi-Fi icon, press and hold the button again to enter the pairing/syncing mode, and now your band should start syncing with your phone. You can see it's syncing now. And once it's done syncing, the watch face should be applied. So it's done syncing. Let's go back to watch face. Like this, and as you can see, the watch face was applied. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app if you want. And that's how you change the watch face on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.